Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do a Chanel beauty unboxing for the holidays of 2025. I have done one for Dior, so if you want to see what that looks like, I'll link it below. But I have a couple of items here. One is from the boutique. So this one has the beautiful ribbon, which I'll show you more in depth, as well as the pretty packaging. The other one is from online. I actually haven't opened this one yet, so I would like to show you the difference between what I would get in store and what I would get from the online boutique. So if you're interested, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. All right, I'm a little bit more interested in getting into the online one, just because I have not even seen it. The in-store one, I actually kind of saw them like pack it up, so I have an idea. So I thought this one would be more exciting for me at least, but we'll get to both of them. So it comes in this usual shipping packaging, which says Chanel on it, and then it also, comes in a box on its own, and then there is a shipping receipt. Gonna put this box down. All right, so the box that it comes in has this beautiful dark navy tweed, as well as a dark navy, very sparkly camellia. Now it's flat, as you can see, so just FYI. But this one is a ribbon that you can see has the little frillies at the end, so quite pretty there. And I think you can, yeah, this is how it's sticky, so you can unstick it like that. So we will just take a look what's inside. So this is the usual box that you probably get from the Chanel boutique online. It's like a pretty hard cardboard box, except obviously now they put the little stickers on it. Inside is a sticker. This is the usual one that they would send you. There's nothing else in the box except for this. Okay. So inside is this box. This is the same, I think, dark navy color, and it's one of the gift sets that is currently available on their website as well as in stores, I believe. Yeah, it's flat, but you can kind of, when you run your hands over it, it does have a little like texture. So it's not sticker, it's like embossed. It's very pretty. It's a great gift, actually. All of the stuff that Chanel has for the holidays is a great gift. Let me just show you what else is in here. So lots of tissue thingies, but I did request, because at checkout you can request samples. More. Okay. So there's a little drawstring baggie, and it says Chanel, very subtle Chanel right there. And I chose the #1 de Chanel serum and also the Hydra Beauty micro serum. So these are great for travel. I actually love both of them. I have used both of these and they're lovely. So what I did select at checkout, and I wanted to confirm with you this year, is that you get to pick the item that you want. So there's either a camellia flower or a star. It looks like with the camellia, you do get a little star here. And the little star you do, can it focus? It does have the letter C on it. It may be a little hard to see, but there's like a little C right there. And then of course in the middle of the camellia, there is a CC as well. And so this one is a little lobster clasp. It's like a little charm clasp, so you can add it to your charm bracelet, or in some cases, if you have like, let's say a little bag that is small enough, the chain small enough, you can also use it. Can you see it with the, it's a very small opening, so you can't put it on anything too thick, but it's beautiful. Substantial weight. So this was something that I was able to pick at checkout, but you are only able to pick one. So if that is something you're interested in, I was definitely more interested in the camellia than the star, but if you are interested in the star, that is an option as well at checkout. So don't forget to select it. All right, I'm gonna put this here. We have this is called the Gloss Up lip set, and it's one of the lesser expensive item for gift sets. So let me just open it. I will link this one below so that you can quickly get to it. This year, the gift bag looks like this. It's the same dark navy tweed material, and if I hold it slightly closer, maybe you can kind of see that it has these little sparkles in the fabric. It does say Chanel Beauté, and it is raised, so it looks like it's glued on. Or ironed on. And then it does come with, this one you don't get to select, but it is the camellia flower. You don't remove this one. And then the back, the side, and then the bottom. So it's very similar to the ones from years before. Actually, I feel like they've done one like this before, a very similar color as well. Last year was the really fluffy white one, and there was not a difference in color. There was either just a small like this one or a big one, but it's like a fluffy white one. This year, from my understanding, there's only this color and only one size as well. So there are 3 individually boxed items. The 3 lip glosses are icing, which looks like this, beautiful. I think there was one last year that was also this milky baby pink. And there is also melted honey. So I'm not going to swatch these because I think I am going to gift this to people, but it's like this beautiful gold champagne color. If I remember correctly, last year this one did not really have any color payoff, nor did the pink, like milky pink, but it just gives it a very glossy look. And the last one is bourgeoisie, I think, and it is this beautiful, like I don't even know, light burgundy, mauve reddish color, very beautiful for the holidays. This one actually does have color payoff, but they're all very, very easy to wear for universally. So I love that they always come in these like individual packaging. So let's say you want 2 out of the 3, you can definitely gift one to somebody else, or you want to gift all of this and keep this one for yourself, you can absolutely do that as well. But yeah, I wish they didn't have the Chanel Beauty thing at the front, like this one. I wish they just had Chanel, but if that bothers you, you can also just wear it on this side. Which, by the way, a lot of these bags in the past used to have a little tab, like years ago, but since, like, I think since 2 or 3 years ago, they stopped doing that. But there is a workaround to make this into like a little wristlet or shoulder bag, crossbody bag, and it's by adding a little DIY hook here. I have one that I did last year. You can see that this is the zipper, and there is like a little D-ring, another D-ring on this side. But essentially, you add this after, you know, as an art project, so do it at your own risk. But I can link the video below on how I made this, but essentially you could just add a chain that you have and then make it however long or short as you want, and it's great because now you get to use this bag. Now see, this is one of the really older ones where they only have Chanel. They took away the little tabs, but they have just the Chanel, not the Beauté right here. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So if you don't like that, you can always flip it to this side and wear it, you know, either as a clutch or as a shoulder bag. You can basically make this bag into a clutch or a shoulder bag for less than $200, you know, so very, very nice. And let's get to the other one. Again, I will link this kit below. I believe it's still available, but I will link it below. All right, so the one that I got from my in-store essay is here. He tied this ribbon on it, beautiful. And again, this ribbon is the same dark navy with the little frills at the edges. And I believe this one is thinner. Yeah, it is much thinner than the other one on the box. So as you can see, it's very shimmery, very beautiful. And then, untie this, we'll get inside the bag. Now the bag itself is something that you normally would get at a Chanel beauty store because the fashion Chanel ones are black, so the beauty ones from Chanel are white like this. So inside, very snug, is this. This is the beautiful gift bag. Wow, look at that. And here it is on the other side. So it has the same pattern as the box that the first lip gloss set came in. It's got that like circle design right there. And on the other side it says Chanel, but even so you can kind of see on the back here, Chester's walking around the room, you can kind of see that there are like little glitter pieces, like they're printed so they don't come off, but isn't that beautiful? And I also selected the camellia right there. So it comes with a little star on the side, but I could have selected the star because my essay was like I could pick one. So I just love the camellia, so I picked that one again. Anyway, let's see what I got this time. All right, so this camellia flower is definitely 3D, as you can see. There is a little sticker that goes onto the box, but basically it's 3D versus the box, which I got from online, is flat. Love the ribbon, and my essays have tied the ribbon and stranded this charm through it, which I can easily just remove now, but you can clip it anywhere like I showed you for the other one. And so this gift bag, so it's not the gift box, is super pretty as well. All right, here we go. So when you open it, inside looks like that. And it looks like he gave me a couple of samples. So this one doesn't have the drawstring bag, but he did give me a Chanel Chance, a Chanel No. 5, and a Chanel Paris Edinburgh, which I don't know if I've smelled this one yet, but that's nice of him. Now this one, as you can see, is very different than the other box in that it is a white color item, and I don't know, the design is very similar, as you can see, so I don't know exactly the purpose. My guess is this one is a skincare item and the other one is a makeup item. So this one's a Hydra Beauty Maximum Moisture skincare set. So let's see. Here we go. Okay, so it's the same bag as the beauty one. So as you can see, same exact thing, no difference there. So I can say that unlike last year where the skincare items come in a bigger bag, they're the same bag, same color. So it looks like this year there's only one size and one color gift bag. Again, it says Chanel Bouteille and it is empty on the other side. So if that bothers you, you can always wear it on this side. And so let's take a look. Oh yeah, camellia flower for the skincare item as well. So no difference there. This one comes in two pieces. So there is the Micro Beauty Cream, which is something that my essay gave me a sample of and I really liked it. So oops, I dropped the little spatula. I think this is a spatula, but I am glad to get the full size one. So it looks like that, very heavy. But it was very moisturizing without being greasy, if that makes sense. And then the other thing that came with the set is Hydra Beauty Micro Cream for eyes. So it's a hydrating eye cream. This one is slightly smaller, but that makes sense because no spatula. That makes sense because it is for your eyes, so it usually has a little bit less product. So anyway, I'm gonna be very excited to start using these guys because, yep, I think I got one last year too, but I actually gifted it away, so I never actually tried it myself. But I'm definitely gonna do it this year because I just liked it so much. So yeah, this one was from the in-store and I did get the little camellia charm, but if you ordered online, they do, at the time that I ordered mine, have the option to choose from either the camellia or the star. So I would definitely look into that if you're interested. I will link both of these below as well as other options. There's one with the I think lip balm and hand cream and also nail polish this year. So if you're interested in that, one's very popular. My store actually sold out. So if it's online, I will link it below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you are interested in making these into little clutch bags or anything like that, I will link that tutorial video below, as well as the pieces that you would need to buy. I think I bought it well, it's been a few years now, but it's very inexpensive. So if you already have a chain that you can attach after you DIY it, you can definitely do that and make use of this baggie. Otherwise, they are great gifts because they just look so beautiful. As you can see, it's already like pre-gifted in a box, so you don't even need all this other packaging, but you know, yeah, just always very beautiful and exciting for the holidays. Now that Halloween's over, we're definitely into the holiday season, so I thought I'd start it off with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!